Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So we are still on our weight loss challenge. So here I'm going to make you a very tasty and nutritious breakfast recipe. Sit back and let's go straight in the video. This breakfast went down a treat in my home with everyone. They loved it so much. I also topped it off with some beetroot salad, which even make it more nutritious. This is Aunt's Cooking said, I am cooking healthy. Are you cooking? Remember, healthy food equals better body. Bye bye for now. God bless.